Well, several families in Muskogee are fed up with a years-long legal battle with that city, and tonight they are speaking out.
Yeah, they claim the city seized their land, so now they're suing. News on 6's Grant Stevens has a look at what the families are asking for and what the city is saying in response. Grant?
Brian Shannon, the court process has been so drawn out in one case that the original person who filed the suit died before seeing it to the end. The families are asking for millions of dollars potentially from the city. They say years ago the city improperly condemned and demolished buildings on land they owned.
He was livid.
Cassandra Vaughn remembers the day her father was notified that property he owned had been condemned and demolished by the city of Muskogee.
He received a letter from the city, basically said that they had taken, I guess, his property. They had knocked down his well.
Darwin, England has a similar story. Property he owned was demolished, but the major sticking point in both their cases is how the decision to condemn was made and whether or not the city followed due process before demolition.
You're denying me of my civil rights. You're not following due process. Your procedures are not followed anyway. You don't follow your own ordinance. You don't follow state law.
The city of Muskogee says it won't comment on pending litigation, but in a 2020 state Supreme Court appeal, the city said the Vaughns have not met their burden to prove that the process followed by the city did not meet constitutional due process. The document adds there has never been any doubt about the basis upon which the city acted. The property was dilapidated. Their properties were condemned and demolished in 2005. The lawsuit was filed in 2007. After a back and forth of judgments and appeals, to this day, neither the city nor Vaughn or England have answers.
That's the bottom line. We are tired of playing tit for tat with the city.
Both families are waiting on a decision from an appeals court, which they think could happen any day. Grant Stevens, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.